Tired of OneNote having no editable calendar? Build your own in 2 minutes, fully customizable and reusable every month. That is the single biggest frustration, right? You want to type your tasks directly into a calendar inside OneNote, but there is no built-in template for that. So let me show you 2 ways to fix it. First, a quick plan. I am going to walk you through a custom table you can build from scratch and then save as a template. After that, I will show you a faster method using your Outlook or Google Calendar. Let us start with the custom table. Head over to the Insert tab at the top of your OneNote window. Click Table. You will see a little grid pop up. Drag your cursor to highlight a grid that is 7 columns wide and 6 rows tall. 7 for the days of the week, 6 so you have room for the header row, and 5 rows of dates. Just click once you have that sized right. Now fill in your headers. Type Monday, Tuesday, all the way through Sunday in that top row. That is your day row. Next up, fill in the dates. You can type them all out, but here is a trick to keep your flow going. Press the Tab key on your keyboard after each date to hop to the next cell. It saves you from having to click around with your mouse. Just Tab, type the next number. Tab, type the next number. Super smooth. Now you want some space to actually write tasks in. Click inside a row below your dates. Then press Alt and Enter on your keyboard. That adds an extra line inside that single cell. Keep doing that for each cell until you have a nice chunk of blank space. It is like adding padding to your calendar so your notes are not cramped. Let us make it look good. Highlight your whole table. You will see a new Table Tools or Table tab appear up top. Click on Shading. This is where you can change the background color. Maybe shade the weekend columns a light blue, or give your header row a darker gray. It makes your calendar much easier to read at a glance. Now here is where you really want to pay attention, because I dug through a bunch of tutorials and support articles to find this next part. Once your calendar looks exactly how you want it, go back to the Insert tab. Click Page Templates, then Page Templates again to open the panel on the right. Scroll down to the very bottom and click Save Current Page as a template. Give it a name like Monthly Calendar. Next month, just create a new page from that template. Update the dates and you are done. That is the reusable part 1 promised. Okay, method 2 is for you if you already have a digital calendar in Outlook or Google and just want it inside OneNote without rebuilding it. Open your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar in a web browser on your desktop. Go to your print options. In Google, that is under the gear icon or the print button. Select your view, like monthly or weekly, and set your date range. Click Print. When the print dialog opens, look for where it asks for your printer destination. Click that drop-down and select OneNote for Windows 10 or OneNote Desktop. You might have to click See More to find it. Hit Print. A window will pop up asking you which notebook and which section inside OneNote you want to send it to. Pick the right spot, click OK, and that is it. Your actual calendar from Outlook or Google shows up as a printable image inside your OneNote page. You cannot edit the text on that printed image, but you can type notes all around it, or even write on top of it if you use a drawing tool. So there you have it. 2 ways to get an editable calendar into OneNote. The custom table is perfect if you want full control and a template you can reuse forever. The print method is your shortcut if you just need a snapshot of an existing calendar. Pick the one that fits your workflow and try it right now. You will be surprised how much easier your planning gets.